SEBA Insert 2024 to 2025. Class 9. English Section. Some Importance Amplifications. Part 3. Fully solved in one short video. Here are the key moments of the videos. 1. Tit for tat. 2. An empty vessel sounds much. 3. A little learning is a dangerous thing. 4. A rolling stone gathers no moss. 5. Variety is the spice of life. 6. Handsome is that handsome does. 7. Example is better than precept. 8. Habit is the second nature. 9. Slow and steady wins the race. 10. Prevention is better than cure. 11. Where there is a will there is a way. 12. The pen is mightier than the sword. 13. Necessity is the mother of invention. 1. Tit for tat. Tit for tat describes a reciprocal strategy where one responds to an action with a similar action. This approach is often seen in various aspects of life, including personal relationships, politics, and even wildlife behavior. The principle suggests that cooperation or conflict is met with an equal reaction. For instance, in personal interactions, kindness begets kindness, while hostility invites retaliation. In international relations, countries might mirror each other's actions, leading to a cycle of cooperation or conflict. While tit for tat can maintain balance, it can also escalate disputes if not managed carefully, highlighting the importance of thoughtful responses in human interactions. 2. An empty vessel sounds much. An empty vessel sounds much is a proverb that highlights the tendency of those with little knowledge or substance to make the most noise. This concept can be observed in various facets of life, from social interactions to public discourse. Individuals who lack depth or expertise often compensate with loud or exaggerated claims, seeking attention or validation. In contrast, those with true knowledge or wisdom tend to be more measured and thoughtful in their expressions. The proverb serves as a reminder to value substance over noise and to recognize that true understanding often speaks softly but profoundly. 3. A little learning is a dangerous thing. A little learning is a dangerous thing warns of the perils of incomplete knowledge. Those who grasp only the basics of a subject might overestimate their understanding, leading to misguided decisions and actions. This phenomenon is evident in many areas, from medicine to finance, where superficial knowledge can result in significant harm. For example, someone with minimal medical training attempting to diagnose illnesses might cause more harm than good. The proverb underscores the importance of thorough education and continuous learning. It advocates for humility and caution, recognizing that true expertise requires depth, experience, and ongoing study. 4. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss suggests that a person who is constantly moving or changing situations avoids responsibilities and commitments. This proverb highlights the trade-off between stability and freedom. On one hand, continuous movement and change can lead to a dynamic, experience-rich life, free from the burdens that come with long-term attachments. On the other hand, it may prevent the accumulation of deeper relationships, wealth, or wisdom that come with staying in one place. The proverb encourages reflection on the balance between seeking new experiences and the value of stability and rootedness in one's life. 5. Variety is the spice of life. Variety is the spice of life celebrates the idea that diversity and change make life more enjoyable and interesting. Embracing different experiences, cultures, and perspectives can enrich our lives, offering new insights and preventing monotony. This proverb suggests that stepping out of our comfort zones and trying new things, whether it's exploring new hobbies, traveling to unfamiliar places, or meeting new people, adds excitement and depth to our everyday existence. It encourages us to break routines and appreciate the multifaceted nature of life. By welcoming variety, we can foster creativity, personal growth, and a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Six. Handsome is that handsome does. Handsome is that handsome does emphasizes that true beauty lies in a person's actions rather than their physical appearance. This proverb suggests that good deeds and kind behavior define a person's attractiveness more than their outward looks. It underscores the importance of character, integrity, and how one treats others. Genuine kindness, generosity, and compassion are the qualities that make someone truly admirable. In a world often focused on superficial beauty, this saying reminds us to value inner virtues. It teaches that one's actions and moral conduct are the true measures of their worth and beauty. 7. Example is better than precept. Example is better than precept highlights that actions speak louder than words. Teaching by example is often more effective than merely giving instructions or advice. When leaders, parents, or teachers demonstrate desired behaviors, they provide a clear and powerful model for others to follow. This approach fosters understanding and inspires genuine learning and emulation. For instance, a leader who shows integrity and hard work encourages their team to adopt the same values. This proverb underscores the impact of leading by example, suggesting that lived actions have a stronger, more lasting influence than theoretical lessons or spoken guidelines. 8. Habit is the second nature. Habit is the second nature underscores how repeated behaviors become ingrained, shaping our actions and character almost instinctively. Over time, habits form patterns that influence our daily lives, often operating without conscious thought. Good habits, like punctuality, healthy eating, and regular exercise, contribute positively to our well-being and success. Conversely, bad habits can be detrimental, affecting our health and productivity. This proverb highlights the power of consistency and the importance of cultivating positive habits. By recognizing that habits become second nature, we understand the necessity of deliberate practice and mindfulness in developing behaviors that align with our goals and values. 9. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race emphasizes the value of consistent, measured progress over hurried, erratic efforts. This proverb suggests that perseverance and reliability often lead to success more reliably than rapid, impulsive actions. In various aspects of life, from personal goals to professional projects, maintaining a steady pace and diligently working towards objectives can yield better results than attempting to achieve everything quickly. It highlights the importance of patience, careful planning, and resilience. By adopting a steady approach, one can build a strong foundation and overcome obstacles more effectively, ultimately achieving long-term success and stability. 10. Prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure underscores the importance of taking proactive measures to avoid problems rather than dealing with them after they arise. This principle applies to health, safety, and various aspects of life. For instance, maintaining a healthy lifestyle through exercise and balanced diet can prevent diseases, making it preferable to seeking treatment for illness later. In other contexts, preventive actions like regular maintenance of equipment or implementing safety protocols can avert accidents or failures. This proverb highlights the cost-effectiveness and benefits of addressing potential issues before they become significant problems, ultimately saving time, resources, and effort. 11. Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way conveys that determination and persistence can overcome obstacles and lead to success. This proverb highlights the power of a strong desire and commitment in achieving goals, regardless of challenges. When someone is truly motivated, they find creative solutions and pathways to reach their objectives, even in the face of difficulties. The saying underscores the importance of resilience and a positive mindset, suggesting that a focused and determined attitude often transforms seemingly insurmountable problems into manageable tasks. It serves as a reminder that willpower and effort are key drivers of accomplishment. 12. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword asserts that the power of written words and ideas surpasses that of physical force and violence. This proverb highlights the profound impact that communication, literature, and intellectual discourse can have in shaping societies, influencing public opinion, and fostering change. While swords represent brute strength and conflict, The pen symbolized knowledge, persuasion, and diplomacy. Historical examples illustrate how speeches, books, and letters have sparked revolutions, inspired movements, and resolved conflicts more effectively than armed combat. The saying underscores the enduring power of thoughtful expression and the written word in effecting meaningful progress and transformation. 13. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention means that urgent needs often drive innovation and creative solutions. When faced with challenges or pressing problems, people are compelled to invent or discover new methods to address their circumstances. Historical and modern examples abound, from the development of medical technologies during crisis to ingenious solutions for everyday issues. This proverb emphasizes how necessity fuels ingenuity, pushing individuals and societies to find practical answers and advancements. It suggests that constraints and demands can stimulate creative thinking and lead to breakthroughs that might not arise in more comfortable or resource-rich situations.